Dr. Von, thank you so much for the recording. Okay, for the sake of Women's Day and the this is the month for the women. Okay, reference number. Equal sign. You type an equal sign. What was your reference number there? The reference code was J what? JDX. So when it comes, you just tab.
JDX.
Then after there, you type the and per 7. So shift arrow, shift, you go on shift, then you go on 7. That's why that and easy. Okay. Then you type text. Text, you tab. Row, word row. You tab. Open bracket. Okay. Minus the 3 rows on top. Okay, comma. Open inverted commas. They've told us they want 8 digits, so you type 9 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And close inverted commas. Then close bracket. And then enter. We are done, right?
Wait.
How many zeros are those?
You're supposed to put 9, but the reference will have 8 digits. So if you want to have 8, type 9.
Coach Eno,
yes,
go
sir.
in the formula again. Go in the formula again.
Okay, so you type equals JDX, you tab, you go on shift, shift, then you go on 7.
And?
Where there's that, I don't know how you call it, but we used to call it Kaanjai. Then you text, you type with the word text, then you tab, you type the word row, you tab, close bracket, minus, I don't know how many columns that are on top where you're typing. If there are 3 columns on top, then minus 3, then comma, comma, open inverted commas, type 9 zeros, then close inverted commas, then close bracket, then enter. So the digits here, so the digits supposed to be 8, including the 1.
Okay. All right, it's sorted. Thank you.
So, sorry, after the 9 zeros,
you close inverted comma. You close the inverted commas, then close bracket.
Commas? Okay, okay.
Remember, they are saying they're supposed to be 50. So you drag up to 50 up to where they're giving you 50.
So for me, it's saying I've entered too many arguments. So where could I have possibly?
If you put a comma between 3 and the inverted commas?
Yeah, I have.
Where else haven't you?
Maybe just click on the formula again, maybe.
It's there showing. How is your formula? Tell me your formula.
Okay.
Make sure there's no
equal
space.
to sign JDX. Okay.
Make sure no space in between anything.
To sign JDX. Okay, then there's the ampersand, then text, then open bracket, row, Then there's open bracket wrong. Try to redo.
On row, there's open bracket, then you close another bracket. On row, there are two brackets, a closing and opening and closing, right? She's gone. I can't hear any.
No, I'm here. I'm just trying to redo. So after all, there's
When you type row, you
open
tab.
brackets or close bracket?
When you type row, you tab the bracket you open.
Okay, okay.
Then you close another
All
one.
right.
Then
All
minus
right.
3. Minus 3 comma. And you put those inverted commas on the zeros, you close inverted commas, then close bracket. Okay, what's the next question? Mr. Vincent, what's the next question after the row?
So right now we have sorted out the J electronic had 50 transactions. So this is a list of the 50 transactions, not so.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, and question number 1, the model should do auto-generate the reference number.
We have done that. Yes.
And the prefix with the prefix JDX concatenated with a suffix of 8 digits, which we done.
Yes.
For each cell using text and row function in Excel.
Yes, we have done that.
So we've gotten the 2 marks there. Second question is B. In addition, using data validation, indirect function, and if statement, the model to provide drop-down list for the user to select the type of product and also displays the list of product without the user's interventions. So it's talking about, in addition, using the...
Okay, we have gotten it. So I think that's where we even end. So let's do that. We hope we'll do it in under 20 minutes.
Without the user's intervention?
Without the user's
just
intervention.
There. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So now here we are going to say, we can write product or product type. Those who want can write product type. Those who want can write just product, okay? Product. Okay, here on product, we need to use data validation, okay? That's why we need to bring, here we're going to bring mobile phone and the laptops, okay? Are you getting me? You're going to bring...
Yes, we have.
So in this column, there will just be 2 items, laptops and the
mobile phones.
Mobile phones, okay? Now, in cases, these are just 50 transactions, they're not much, meaning you can choose as you go, but there are sometimes we are given a lot of stuff to do. So I would prefer okay, let's just do this one, but then as we go, I'll show you, but let's do this one because they're just 50 transactions, so you can choose one by one. Okay, let's go on data. Let's go on data validation. Data validation. Oh, before we even go there, I like shortcuts. Let's do this. Let's just highlight this. Let's highlight the whole column.
50.
Yes, highlight the whole column for the product. Just under the word product, highlight the whole column. Okay. So after I've highlighted, now go on data validation. The reason why we're highlighting is we want the formula to appear there without us dragging it, because sometimes when you drag it, it might just start just giving you the same item and it don't look nice. Okay, so if you're in a hurry or you're in an exam, the first thing is just highlight the column, go on data validation, and then settings, make sure your cursor is on settings, then you go on allow. Allow, we want to have a list here. Okay, what is our source? Our source is dashboard. Dashboard, you go. Okay, dashboard, you go on the dashboard. What we want on the dashboard is the mobile phones and the laptops. This table here, you've seen it. Okay, when you're done, you go back.
Oh, phones and laptops.
Yes, mobile phones and laptops there. Just the headers, those headers there. Then do okay.
Cochino.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So you go on, yes, mobile phones and laptops, just the header.
Yes, those two, yes. That
Okay.
table which we're defining down, we're defining some items inside the table there.
Okay.
Okay. Hope we are okay. So it has created the list. So there are two items there. We can pick either mobile phones or laptops. Okay.
Okay.
Then we are going after the product there. We're going to have a column for mobile phones. Okay. Mobile phones. Mobile phones. Phones, another column here for phones. Then let's see, that is in D. In E, we're going to put laptops, eh? Laptops.
Okay.
Laptops, okay. So what we want to do here is if we choose mobile phones here, on the mobile phones should appear here. And then we choose the mobile phone that person has bought, okay? If we choose the laptops here on the product, only the laptops under laptops here supposed to appear. We are together, right?
Yes, we are.
Mm-hmm. So the other way is here. The other way we can do it is we can remove laptops here. So we can remove the laptops, even the phones. But on the phone, we can here where we say the product. We can say type of products, right? Then the other one can write products. So what we minimize on the columns. But even the first ones, those who want to use the first ones, we can also use the first one. So in C here, we can say type of product, type. So in modeling, there's no standard, okay? So there's no standard like in financial reporting. So type of product, okay? Meaning the mobile phones and the laptops. Then here you can put just the products. I don't know whether you're getting me. So product. So here that's where you'll be when you choose here, you can have a choice of having any other product, okay? Either it's any other product, whether it's a mobile phone or it's a laptop. And like us having 2 columns, okay, to eat a lot, it will have a lot of columns. Maybe for presentation sake, it might not make sense, okay? But if you think the first formation is okay, but I would prefer we'd go with this one. Product, is this the word product? Product, okay? Is the spelling for product okay? Number one, I'm spelling. Is it okay?
It's fine.
Okay. Yeah, now what we do is we want to do an indirect function here. Because if we were to do the 2 ones, we're going to do it indirect twice, and sometimes it refuses when we do indirect twice. So now let's go on the data validation. Data validation. Okay. Data validation. Also go on settings, then allow, then list. Then you come here on source. Now source, we're going to type equal sign indirect. Is it indirect? Mr. Vincent, are they saying indirect there or direct function?
One moment. It said indirect function.
Okay, so we can type equal sign indirect. Make sure you type the correct word indirect. Okay, then you type open bracket. Okay, our mobile phone, the word mobile phones there, it's under C4. So you type the letter C. After you've put a bracket, you type C, then 4, C4, then close bracket. Okay. Have we done? You can do, okay? Okay, why is it the source currently evaluates to an error? Do you want to continue? What error? Okay, who has managed? Let me just check my name. Suppose there's an error. If you have managed, please tell me. Equal sign indirect.
We failed.
Indirect. Okay, open bracket. C4, close bracket. Is our C4 mobile phones? Yes. Then do okay. Let's try and see continue. Okay.
Mine, it hasn't given anything, though it didn't give an error.
It didn't give an error, but there's nothing.
There's
Okay.
nothing.
Let's check our dashboard first. Okay, let's check our dashboard. Why is it refusing? How did we define this table? Okay, you have seen the reason why? Have you seen the reason? Our mobile phone on top here is supposed to have an underscore, okay? You understand? So the way you defined it, even the name on top, that's how it's supposed to appear. Are you getting me? Are we clear?
Okay.
The name there on top.
Yes, coach, we're clear.
Make sure it also has an underscore, because when you define the name, especially for the mobile phone, it had an underscore. But for the laptop, it's just okay. Okay. So now let's go and check and redo it if possible and see. Okay, let's just restart. Let's just do it. So what we'll do is you go on home and clear. Let's clear the function that was there first. We clear. You go on home. Then at the end there's autofill, then fill, then clear. Let's clear what is there. Otherwise it will refuse. Clear all. We have cleared. You go on data again. This time you're supposed to agree. So data validation, yes. Allow list. Source. So go and type equal sign. Indirect. Then open bracket. You type C4. Okay. Who has managed? I'm hearing computers. Let me do it again.
Your type of product, there's no underscore in the mobile phone.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Yeah. So we need to, even the first one here, you are right. So even this one, we're supposed to, it has changed now. Okay, so you need to reselect again. The challenge with the Excel, it doesn't
Yes.
automatically do, so we need to reselect again. That's why it is refusing. So now we can go ahead. Okay, allow list, indirect.
Where is it?
Equal sign indirect. Indirect. Okay, open bracket C4. Close bracket. Okay. Okay, now it is not giving issues. Okay, now the list is appearing. So if there's a mobile phone there, only the mobile phones are going to appear here. You have seen that?
Coach,
yes, sir.
One moment. Let me just try it. I think there was an incoming call that disturbed my internet.
Okay.
C4, close bracket.
So you can just drag this formula.
What did you do? I think I missed that call that disturbed me.
Okay,
Coach,
so just go on the product, choose again, choose the
data.
Go and choose another product. Okay, you have changed, there's an underscore now, right?
Yes, which one?
On the
on
type
the product, yes. If you go to the mobile phones.
Yes, on the arrow. Mobile phone now supposed to have an underscore. So choose the one with an underscore.
Dashboard, right?
Okay, the dashboard you didn't change. On the dashboard it has changed.
I've just changed the dashboard.
Yes, go on the dashboard.
Where the dashboard is, yes.
This phone here, mobile phones, this column here. On top supposed to be mobile underscore phones. Because remember we defined these ones under, we had put an underscore.
Yes.
So even here on type of product, make sure you go on the arrow and choose again the same mobile. And now it has got an underscore, so you choose it again. Then you go here.
Okay, I go on the product, yes.
Then you go on data validation, allow list.
Data validation, allow list.
Then you go on source, you type equal sign, indirect.
Equals indirect. Okay.
And then C4, then close bracket and end.
C4. C4, then close bracket.
Then equal.
Okay, yes. Gosh, whatever hasn't happened here.
What is he saying?
Currently elevates an error. Do you want? The source currently elevates to an error. Do you want to continue?
What have you chosen in the type of product?
The type of product, the chosen mobile, but let me just go back. Type of product, I chose mobile phones.
The mobile phone, it has got an underscore right now, right?
Yes, it has got an underscore.
And so just choose this.
Okay, let me try it again. Source. Because
anyone who still have challenges, you have to hear. So go on the arrow, choose the phone that you want. So if you come on if you choose laptop, then the products also here will change. There will be only those ones for laptops. HP Spectre, so you choose. So you do that up to transaction 50.
Coachino, I might have to delay the class. I don't know whatever has been done.
Yes, sir.
Let me see if I can clear the. Let me try and clear what was there. Okay, product. Sincere apologies.
Sir, okay.
For me, when I make laptops as type of product, nothing is coming like a drop down to choose from. I don't know what I missed.
Just check.
But I got it the first time.
Just check the spellings on the spelling of your laptops. Maybe the other one you put laptops, the other one you put laptop. When you're defining the name, how did you define those laptops? Did you put S or did you remove? You didn't put an S. If you didn't put an S, then that's why it is giving you like that. The formula is correct, but just check again your spelling on the laptops.
You know,
it has S.
Yes, madam.
So, I got it when defining for mobile phones, but I'm not having a drop down. I don't know, was I supposed to copy the formula like?
No, you just drag the formula, and then you can choose here. You come and choose.
Okay.
Drag the formula here. Drag it up to the end.
Oh. Hello? Sir.
Yes,
so for me, I have two underscores.
Two underscores.
Hello? Yes, where can I go to the defined names to delete?
Okay, or if you want to delete the
it's
name,
like I defined it twice. I think.
Okay, just go on formula. Click on the formula here.
Okay.
Name manager. Go and delete the name you want to delete. Just click on it, then go and delete. If you have made a mistake, you want to correct it.
Coachino.
Yes, sir.
Coachino.
Yes, sir.
Yazanda Kuno. So, yes, I think, I don't know, that call that came through disturbed me. Yazanda. Anyway, Yazanda, Tilimu product, you know, this is an assignment. So, meaning certain things, if it was a class, I would have said, let's go, let's move. But on product, you know, type of product, there's I selected the mobile, okay? There's a drill down button, mobile phone. Okay.
The mobile phone has got an underscore.
Yes, it's got an underscore.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
When I go on product, okay, it's supposed to be, I'm supposed to go to data, validation, then allow, there's a list, of course, allow list, then source, equals, yeah, it's supposed to be equals indirect, open bracket C4, close bracket. Then you press OK, not so. But surprisingly, am I supposed to press apply these changes to all other cells? No.
What is it saying?
Wait. It's saying the source currently elevates to an error. Do you want to continue?
Okay, the issue is what have you selected there in the product? Does the
I selected
the
mobile
mobile phones with an underscore?
Yes.
It means how you define, check the way you define names. Maybe on the mobile phones, yes, you have put an underscore, but maybe you didn't put an S at the end or something. Maybe the spellings are not correct. They're not matching.
Okay, let me try.
So you can go on Name Manager and check how you defined your mobile phones.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
So just
I've
click
gone
on
back
Name
to
Manager and check how you define mobile phones. Did you define them as mobile phones or just mobile phone? Because with indirect, even just a simple error, it will refuse. It won't agree. Even just
Coach Eno, if you go to, let's go to dashboard. The dashboard, we have to select from mobile phones, select up to
select from Samsung.
Or select from Samsung.
Yes.
Then define those.
Up to Apple 13.
Then define them as the mobile phones.
Mobile underscore phones.
I think that's what I've not done. Let's see. Let's see. Underscore phones. Then I'll need to clear because the header defined it as the mobile phone.
So even on top there, the header is supposed to be mobile underscore phones.
You know what, Coach Eno, the header, I think I defined as mobile phones. Let me just define it something else.